Let's make this super yummy chocolate espresso cake. First thing you want to do is set your oven to 350, and in a bowl, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. We're gonna sift that together. Give that a mix and set aside. To your mixing bowl, you're gonna add 1 cup of butter, unsalted, which is two sticks. You're gonna add 1 cup of sugar, and you're gonna add a half a cup of brown sugar. And then we're gonna cream the sugars and get that all mixed together. After you get your butter all creamed like that, and add 3 large eggs. So 1, 2, 3. And then you want to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we're going to mix that all together. Get it mixed so it's nice and smooth like that. If you were using a smaller bowl like I was, you want to switch to a bigger mixing bowl, and then you want to slowly add in your dry ingredients to your wet. So we're going to add some dry, mix in, then we're going to add some more. Mix in. Then you're going to add the rest, get it all mixed in. Keep mixing until you get all that well incorporated. Take 1 cup of chilled espresso that I made earlier and mix that in. So just get you 2 8-inch cake pans. You could either grease them. I use parchment paper, and then just try to distribute the chocolate cake evenly throughout the pans. Get those in the oven and let those go for about 25 to 30 minutes. While our cake is in the oven, we're gonna get started on our buttercream. 6 tablespoons of butter, 2 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 cup of milk. Have our whisk attachment and just whisk that on slow. Too smooth. And there we have it, a buttercream icing. When your cake is done like this, after about 25 to 30 minutes, it took this cake about 27 minutes, you want to take it and put it on your cooling rack, but you want to flip it upside down and let it sit on your cooling rack. And that way it makes the layers flatter for when you're trying to layer the cake. Lay them on the cooling rack like that and just let them cool down. After about 45 minutes of cooling down, I got my cake iced up, and this is the final product. I wasn't able to record it, but we got all the icing on it, and it came out so good. It was nice and fluffy, not too super sweet, but just right. Awesome cake. Follow and like for more recipes. Thank you.